have second-year apprentices building engines for a variety of hot rods, high-performance type stuff. They have a car that they're restoring typically, or have some type of a project. So we do a complete engine overhaul, be able to recondition cylinders and do engine honing. We have a boring bar. We can bore out sleeve cylinders, and then these guys over here are working on a CK10, which will hone cylinders and give the proper crosshatch, and we can fit the pistons to really tight tolerances for modern vehicles today. We have a bunch of other measuring equipment where we measure into 10,000ths of an inch is a lot of our specifications, working into the really fine tolerances. We have a lathe and a polisher. We can polish crankshafts, and we can do a variety of cylinder head repairs on a machine we have that's called 90L, and it will allow us to install new guides and seats and do other machining. So when students come to Lakeland for second year, we have a lot of opportunity for them to experience something that's fun and exciting, and maybe a little bit different than what they get to do in industry, but it's all related to what makes the engine work and how it ticks and what makes it function as it's supposed to.